Hi guys, we are back with a new color changing trick where you can easily change hoodie and trouser outfit colors like this. First, select the quick selection tool. Carefully make a selection around the hoodie or trousers. Now press Ctrl+J 2 times. You will get 2 duplicate layers. Select layer 1, the first copy. Go to adjustment layer solid color. Choose the red color or any color you want. Press OK. Now go to blending options. Change the blending mode to lighten, right. Click the color layer. Select create clipping mask. Now select layer 1, image layer. Go to adjustment layer levels. Make sure the mask icon is on. Adjust the sliders like this. Middle slider, 1.91. Right slider, 118. Press OK. That's it. Your hoodie or trouser color is changed naturally without losing quality.